In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture in Miro. By the end, you'll have a fresh profile image that appears across your boards and comments, helping teammates recognize you instantly. All you need is a web browser and an image you'd like to use, ideally a clear, well-lit photo. Start by heading to Miro.com in your browser. If you're already working inside a board, that's fine. Your account controls are available site-wide. Once the site loads, look for your workspace dashboard. That's the main hub where your boards and teams are listed. Having the dashboard visible just makes the next steps easier to follow and ensures you're in the right place to reach your account settings. Now look to the top right corner of the page and click the profile icon. It's usually a small circle showing your current photo or your initials if you haven't set one yet. If your window is narrow and you don't immediately see it, try maximizing the window or checking for a small menu that reveals your account options. This icon is your shortcut to everything related to your personal settings. From the menu that appears, click Profile. This opens your personal profile page where you can adjust how you appear to others in Miro. Think of this as your digital business card. Your name, your role, and the image that shows up in board activity and comments all live here. On your profile page, find your current picture area and click Upload. Depending on your current setup, you might see a button labeled Upload, Change Photo, or a camera icon. Clicking it will open your computer's file picker. This is where you choose the image you want to use. For best results, go for a square or close to square image so it crops neatly. A simple background and good lighting help your face stand out. Next, select the image from your computer and click Open to confirm. Miro will begin uploading and may offer a quick crop or preview so you can center your face. If you see that option, adjust the crop to keep your face in frame and avoid cutting off the top of your head. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well, and a resolution around 400 by 400 pixels or higher stays crisp without slowing upload time. After the upload, your new picture should appear immediately on your profile and across your boards. If it doesn't change right away, give the page a moment or refresh. That's it. Your profile picture is updated and ready for your next collaboration.